Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a cheesy and delicious pizza base that's packed with protein and low in carbs. In the video, I will show you how to make keto pizza crust using a few simple ingredients plus some tasty topping ideas. Let's get started. Add 1 egg. Beat well. One-fourth teaspoon Italian seasoning, optional. 1/8 teaspoon salt or to taste. Mix. Half cup almond flour. 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum powder, optional, but this is what makes this crust a little chewy. Half cup small cut cottage cheese. Mix all the ingredients well until well combined. If your cottage cheese has large cuts, add the cottage cheese and egg to a blender and blend until smooth. Preheat the oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit and line a baking pan with parchment paper. Place mixture on parchment paper. Spread it in an even layer on the pan. The dough should be about 1/4 inch thick. Bake the crust for 10 to 12 minutes. Add your desired toppings. You can use this bread for sandwiches. Cut in half to make 2 flatbreads. In my topping, I am using sugar-free pizza sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Red crushed peppers. Diced onions. Diced tomatoes. Seedless green chilies. Chicken pieces. And black olives. Bake the pizza for another 5 to 8 minutes. Cool for 10 to 15 minutes, then slice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. We will see you in the next video.